Okay, here we go. Flawless. Good friend Jimmy Mahan doing a box of Flawless basketball. Thank you very much, sir. Good luck to you. How would you like to choose your box? Dice? Top, bottom? You want to pick? Go with my gut. Going with this one. There it is, in all its glory. Flawless basketball. All right, brother. Good luck. Here we go.
Case looks dirty. I think this one's gonna get down and dirty.
Roy Hibbard, 17 out of 20. That's your first one. That is a diamond. There you go. Roy Hibbard, 17 out of 20. You got another jewel. This one is a ruby. 8 out of 15. Magic Johnson.
Cool card.
Six out of 10. Bill Russell. Nice. 56 to 69. Bill Russell. 6 out of 10. His jersey number.
Is that Frank Gore gold jersey?
No. Oh.
That's just a stupid patch. You don't see his stuff on that up.
Look at this guy. 4 out of 5. Look at this patch.
17-footer.
That guy was 245 feet tall.
That's
Sean Bradley.
That's actually, like, on a normal jersey, that piece of the logo is that small, but they had to stretch it out for him so much. Right. Patch opportunities.
Wow, a couple patches right on top.
Yeah.
That's new. Blake Bortles. Oh, I'm sorry. Blake Griffin. 2 out of 25. Stuck in football mode.
Flawless football preview.
Harrison Barnes, 23 out of 25. Here's a throwback. 15 out of 20. Christian Laettner. Tony Parker to 15. 12 out of 15.
muted that. Muted that.
Oh,
Even cooler.
2 out of 15. 2 out of 15. He delivered it. The mailman,
Lakers
Karl
patch.
Malone.
Almost looks like a patch. It's not. Huh? That's old school.
No, that's old paint. That's
Yeah,
that's the
old Jazz.
old
Yeah.
Jazz uni. That's not the updated
Yeah.
one.
That's true.
That's before they changed the logo.
That's cool.
That's awesome. And
He went to that to hide this.
to cap that to cap it off, I couldn't let you down, buddy. I couldn't let you down.
You don't see the rookie stuff in this.
7 out of 10. MCW.
Congrats, Jimmy.
Drive safe, man. Michael Carter Williams. There it is. Sick. Very nice one. Thank you very much, Mr. Mahan, Jimmy. Appreciate it.